I teamed up with Cabot to make this outdoor cedar bench with a planter. I am using Australian timber oil honey teak, and I have never used this myself. I've heard good things about it. I'm just going to brush it on with a natural bristle brush as directed and let it dry from there. It does look like I need to stir it up just a little bit. I'm using this clear wood protector on the Cedar. It's no color. It does have a color to it, but obviously it's not going on here because it is a clear wood protector. But I'm just brushing it on so I get that nice cedar wet look. It says it's one coat weatherproofing. I like it. Yeah. Felt a little sprinkle on my head. Didn't want to be basically sealing this out in rain, so we had to move it to the garage. No problem. No problem at all.
Okay, so me and my son added some like river rocks to the bottom of this just because we were worried about drainage. We don't want it to drain on the rug and get the rug dirty, and that's what we have right now. So I also put a few pots in there to help with water not collecting in there and getting to the roots of the plants. So we're going to add these sticks to help with like a base for the soil, so we're not using so much soil.
Guys, this is done. Come sit with me, Daddy.
Cool bench.